Hello, good morning students. So welcome back. So today we are going to study a new topic. Topic number 5, number line. So what is a number line? When the points on the line are represented by a number, that line is called as the number line. Okay, for example, here. This is a line. Now we know that there are infinite number of points on this line. So some of these points, when they are represented by numbers, we call that as the number line. For example, okay, and if I label it like this. So the points on the number line, they are represented by numbers. So it is a number line. And here, point O represents 0. Okay, A represents 1. We read it like this also. What is coordinate of point A? So 1. What is coordinate of point F? -2. What is coordinate of point D? 4. Do you get it? And if I say which point is represented by, or name the point represented by -3, yes, point G, right? Or name the point represented by 3, yes, point C. There you are. Okay, so in that way we can do. Then one more thing, when we go towards the right hand side, the numbers, they go on. Yes, exactly. They go on increasing. And when you go on towards the left hand side, the numbers, they go on decreasing. Right. Now, here I have represented integers. We know we can represent natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, as well as rational numbers on the number line. You can represent irrational numbers also on the number line. Do you get it? That you will study in most probably 8th and 9th standard. 9th standard you will study. Okay, so 9th standard you will study how to represent the irrational numbers on the number line. Okay, now here one more thing you should note, that the greatest number, can I tell it? No. And here the smallest number, can I tell it? No. Infinite. If it is related to a specific number system on the number line, then we can tell it, no doubt about it. But here this is infinite, so we cannot. Okay. And secondly, suppose which is the greatest negative integer here on the left hand side of the 0? So it is -1, definitely. Okay. Then which is the smallest integer on the right hand side of the 0? Yes, definitely, it is 1. Okay, so in that way you can understand the number line, and it is easy, not so difficult. And suppose if there are rational numbers to be represented. For example, if I want to represent 7/3. Now see the denominator in that case. What is the denominator? 3. What it means, that each unit part is divided into 3 equal parts. Okay. So here, see here now. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. And here 1, 2, 3. Now let us see, where is our 7/3? Now this is 1/3, right? 2/3, this is 3/3. 3/3 means 1, right? This is 4/3. This is 5/3. This is 6/3. 6/3 means 2. And here it is 7 upon 3. Do you understand? So in that way you can represent. So what matters when representing rational numbers, into how many parts each unit is divided. So how to decide that? See the denominator. And when you see the denominator, you will come to know each unit part is divided into how many parts. Okay, so that is what most important. Okay, so in that way you can represent the rational numbers on the number line. Then suppose if I want to find the distance between the two coordinates. Okay, for example, I want to find, now I am rubbing this. Okay, now just our original number line I am bringing here. Okay, now if I want to find distance between B and E, so distance B, so how to find? So in that case what you have to do, subtract the smaller coordinate from the greater coordinate. For example, here distance AB I want to find, distance BE I said, distance BE I want to find. So what to do? Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So which is the greater coordinate? 2. Minus smaller coordinate. What is smaller coordinate? Minus 1. Yes. Right? So that is equal to 2 minus into minus plus. So 2 plus 1. That is 3. Do you understand? Okay. Now check it. How to check it? You can. See the distance between B and E now. 1, 2, 3. So that means our answer is correct. So what it suggests, if I want to find the distance like this now, I can straight away count the different coordinates. Right? I can straight away count the coordinates between B and E. So here, I will start from B. Okay, I will not count B. A, 1, O, 2, and E, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So distance B is 3. There you are. Okay, so in that way. So remember this, greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Okay, so that we can find the distance. Now based on this, let us solve some examples. So exercise 5.1, question 1 and 2. Observe the number line and answer the question. Dear students, I have already drawn the number line here. And I have written the question 1 because I need it for reference. So number 1 is, which of the following statements is false? So one of the statement from this is false. Okay, so we have to check it. But before going for that, let us first find out all the coordinates, and then it becomes easy. Now here 0, this side it is minus 1. So this is unit distance. So into how many parts it is divided? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So into 4 equal parts it is divided. So we can write it like this. See here. Minus 1 upon 4, minus 2 upon 4, minus 3 upon 4, minus 4 upon 4. That means minus 1. Right? So this is minus 5 upon 4, minus 6 upon 4, minus 7 upon 4, minus 8 upon 4. That is minus 2. We are concerned till here. Don't go beyond that. Okay. Then this side, it will be 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4. This is 5 upon 4, 6 upon 4, 7 upon 4, and this is 8 upon 4. Right? So we got the coordinates of each and every point. Now let us see. Segment AB, A and B. So as I have said, no need to solve anything. What I am doing here. 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4, 5 upon 4. So segment AB is how much? Segment AB 5 upon 4. Distances are always positive. Even if the coordinates are negative, you will always get distance positive only. Okay. So you can solve it like this also. Minus 2 upon 4, minus of minus 7 upon 4. So minus into minus plus. So minus 2 upon 4 plus 7 upon 4, it comes out to be 5 upon 4. Right? So segment AB. Then segment BC. Segment BC, you can see here for segment BC, B and C. So let us count. 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 5 upon, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4, 5 upon 4. Right? So BC is 5 upon 4. So are they congruent? Yes, exactly. They are. Then let us go for BC and CD. Now I know BC. BC is 5 upon 4. I need to find only segment CD. So what is CD? So C and D. Straight away you can do 8 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. That is 5 upon 4. Okay. Now this is another way. That's what I have said. Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So that is 5 upon 4. So BC is congruent to CD? Yes, of course. Right? Now AC. A and C. Let us check it. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So segment AC is how much? Yes, 10 upon 4. Exactly. You can check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Orthone segment BD. Let us check. Segment BD. So segment BD, B and D. So from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again it is 10 upon 4. You understand? So are they equal? Yes, they are. So now left. That means these all three are true. So which is the false one? Yes, this is the false one. There you are. So fourth option is the right answer. Let us check it. AP. A to P. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how much it is? Segment AP is 7 upon 4. Distance of segment AP. Then distance of segment PD. Segment PD. So PD कितना है देखिए? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 upon 4. So are they equal? No. So that means correct answer is option number 4. Do you get it? Now, second question related to this. Which number corresponds to the point A? Now, already we have done it. So, we know point A. What is the number corresponding to point A? That is minus 7 upon 4. But in option, it is not there. They are in mixed fraction. So, I can convert this, right? You know how to convert. 4 ones are 4. So minus 1. Now 7 minus 4, 3 and 4. So minus 1 integer 3 upon 4. That is the option. Option number 2. So option 2 is the right answer. Okay. So this is question number 1. Now let us move further to question 2. So now let us see question 3 to 5. Observe the number line and answer the questions. Okay. So already I have drawn the number line. Now see where the 0 is. 0 is here. This is 1 and here it is 2. So find into how many parts each unit is divided. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 equal parts. Right. So this is 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4, 5 upon 4. 6 upon 4, 7 upon 4, 8 upon 4, that is 2. We are right? And this is 9 upon 4. Now, we have to find length BD plus length CG minus length FP is equal to how much? Now, length BD, you can do anyhow. Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, you can get. That means 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. That is 2 upon 4, right? Or, you can count 1, 2. So 2 upon 4, right? Then CG, C and G. So start from C. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4 upon 4 minus FP. So 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 upon 4, right? Now 2 upon 4 plus 4 upon 4. That is how much? 6 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. So 6 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. How much? Yes, absolutely. 3 upon 4. And so, option number 4. Option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4. Now, let us go for fourth question. What is said? What is the distance between the points C and H? You have to find the distance between C and H. So, you can. Distance CH, you need to find. Okay? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So, that is 5 upon 4. Or you can do it. Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So, 7 upon 4 minus 2 upon 4. That is 5 upon 4. But the answer given is not in this way. It is in decimal point. So, what to do? Divide it. 4 ones are 4. Remainder 1. So, 10. 4 twos are 8. Remainder 2. 20. 4 fives are 20. And so, the answer is 1.25. So, option number, yes, option 1. Option 1. And then we can go for the fifth question. The fifth question says, what is the sum of the lengths of the greatest and the smallest segments given below? So, they have given the segments. I am writing the segments here. Okay. So, segment CB, segment CB, segment EB, segment EB, segment EQ, segment EQ, segment QG, segment QG. Okay, so we have to decide which is the smallest and which is the greatest, and then what we are supposed to do? We have to add the smallest and the greatest. So what to do? CB, CB, 1 upon 4, right? Then EB, EB, 1, 2, 3, so 3 upon 4. Then EQ, EQ, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5 upon 4, right? And QG, so G and Q, so 1, 2, 3, so 3 upon 4. So which is the greatest? This is the greatest. Which is the smallest? This is the smallest. Their sum. So 1 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4. So that is 6 upon 4. And so option number, again the answer is in decimal point. So divide it. 4 ones are 4. Remainder 2. So 20. How many is that? 4 5s are 20. So answer is 1.50. That is option third. Option third is the correct answer. Okay. So let's move to the next example. Okay. Now question 6 to 8. Observe the number line and answer the questions. Okay. So see the number line. I have already drawn the number line. If you see, here it is minus 1 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2, minus 5 upon 2, minus 3. So something different. It's not different. It's just for you to get confused. If your basics are right, you will not make mistakes. First find the 0 and then find the unit distance. You will always get the correct answer. And if you see the denominators here, they are all, yes, 2. So that means each unit distance is divided into 2 equal parts. So let us see how. See here. 0, half, 1. Do you get it? So this is 1 upon 2, this is 2 upon 2, this is 3 upon 2, this is 4 upon 2. 4 upon 2 means 2. Right? So I think you got here. Now this will be minus 1 upon 2, minus 2 upon 2. So this is minus 3 upon 2. Now this is minus 4 upon 2. So this is minus 5 upon 2. And this is minus 6 upon 2. So now it becomes easy, right? So the sixth question is, what is the distance between points C and H? Okay, so sixth one, points C and H. You are supposed to find the distance between them. C is here, H is here. Simple thing. I have said, what what you do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is 10 upon 2. So that is 5. Otherwise, you can use this method. Greater coordinate 5 upon 2 minus of minus 5 upon 2. So minus into minus plus. So 5 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. That is 10 upon 2. And 10 upon 2 is 5. So option number 1. So option 1. Okay. Then let us go for 7th question. Which of the following is the correct pair showing the comparison of the numbers? Now I need to write all the options for my reference. Okay. So first option is minus 3 upon 2 greater than minus 1 upon 2. Second, 3 upon 2 smaller than 1 upon 2. Third, minus 3 upon 2 smaller than minus 1 upon 2. And fourth, 3 upon 2 greater than 5 upon 2. So you have to find which is the correct pair which shows the comparison of the numbers. Now for that you don't need this number line also. You can decide. Now minus 3 upon 2 is smaller than minus 1 upon 2. Yes or no? You can check it. It is on the left hand side to minus 1 upon 2. So it is definitely smaller. So this is wrong. Here it is given minus 3 upon 2 is greater. So that is wrong option. Right? Then 3 upon 2 is smaller than 1 upon 2. Now here this is 1 upon 2, this is 3 upon 2. Now 3 upon 2 is to the right hand side of 1 upon 2. So it has to be greater. What it is shown here, it is smaller. So it is wrong. Right? Then here minus 3 upon 2 is smaller than minus 1 upon 2. That's what we have discussed. So this is the correct answer. Option third. Let us check fourth one. 3 upon 2 is greater than 5 upon 2. This is 3 upon 2, this is 5 upon 2. 5 upon 2 is towards the right hand side of 3 upon 2. So 5 upon 2 should be greater. What is given? 3 upon 2 to be greater. Is it correct? Not at all. Not at all. So option number third. Option 3. Now let us go for 8th one. Okay. That is the 8th question. What is the difference between the lengths of the greatest and the smallest segments given below? Now here we have to find difference. Last time we have determined sum. Yes. Now, so what are the segments? Segment CG. Right? Segment CG, then segment PA. Segment PA. Segment DF. Segment DF. And last, segment HB. Now let us find out. Okay. So let us find out the smallest and the greatest first and then go for the difference. Okay. So CG. Here is C, here is G. So find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So segment CG is how much? 9 upon 2. You can confirm. How? Greater minus smaller. So 4 upon 2 minus of minus 5 upon 2. Minus into minus plus. So 4 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. That is 9 upon 2. Yes? Then PA. This is P, this is A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So PA is 5 upon 2. Then DF. This is D, this is F. So 1, 2. So that is 2 upon 2. Right? And segment HB. H and this is B. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 upon 2. Which is the greatest? This is the greatest. Which is the smallest? This is the smallest. And the question is find the difference. So 9 upon 2 minus 2 upon 2, that is 7 upon 2. So let us see the option. Yes, option 2. Option number 2. Do you get it? Okay. Now let's move to exercise 5.2. Now exercise 5.2, number 1. The coordinates of point P on the number line. The coordinate of point P on the number line is 4 upon 7. If the distance between the point P and Q is 9 upon 7, what are the coordinates of point Q? Now it was asked in 2018 and you have to choose two correct alternatives. Now first what you do? Simple, draw the number line. Okay, so this is 1, I am drawing the number line. Okay, I don't know, this is point P, 4 upon 7. Now I have told you, what I have told you? Count the distance, na? It is how many? If the distance between the point P and point Q is 9 upon 7. So, have they said that point Q is on the left hand side of P, or have they said point Q is on the right hand side of P? No. So, it can be this side 9 upon 7, it can be this side 9 upon 7, or it can be this side 9 upon 7. Okay. So, what do you do? Just count the numerator now. See here. I will make the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So this can be point Q. Or this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this can be point Q. There are two possibilities. Okay. Now here when I go, it will go on decreasing. So this is 3 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 1 upon 7, this is 0. Then this becomes minus 1 upon 7, minus 2 upon 7, minus 3 upon 7, minus 4 upon 7, and this is minus 5 upon 7. And this side it is easy. 4 plus 9, it is 13. So 13 upon 7. So there are two alternatives. Okay, option 1, 13 upon 7, and option 4. So there are two alternatives, option 1 and option 4. These are the two alternatives for point Q's coordinate. Okay, so now let's move to second example. Now second example, find the correct alternative for the following numbers when arranged in the ascending order. Okay, now here it is minus 4 upon 9, then 7 upon minus 18, 2 upon minus 3, and minus 5 upon 12. Now this already we have studied actually, okay, where we have studied rational numbers. Okay, so simple. I will not go by number line method. I will go by what? Yes, division, because here I cannot get the or you can have straight away LCM method. Okay, means 18 2s are 36, 12 3s are 36, so 3 12s are 36, 9 4s are 36. You can do that, that's better. Okay, so minus 4 into 4 upon 9 into 4. Okay, now this minus, take it to the numerator. So minus 7 into 2 upon 18 into 2. Here also minus sign, take it up. So minus 2 into 12 upon 3 into 12. And here minus 5 into 3 upon 12 into 3. So this becomes minus 16 upon 36. This is minus 14 upon 36. This is minus 24 upon 36. And this is minus 15 upon 36. Okay. Now on the number line, how you can represent them? So suppose this is 0. Now all are to the left hand side. Right? So which will come first here? Yes, exactly. Minus 14 upon 36. Then will come minus 15 upon 36. Then will come minus 16 upon 36. And last minus 24 upon 36. Right? Yes. Now let's check the options. what they say. Minus 9 upon 4 will be first. Minus 4 upon 9 will be first. Now 4 upon 9 means minus 16 upon 36. Is it correct? No, it is not first. It is third last. Okay. Now you are supposed to arrange in the ascending order. So smallest to the greatest. This is ascending order in this way. Ascending order is in this way. Smallest to greatest. Okay. So I will write the ascending order so that there is no confusion. Minus 24 upon 36, minus 16 upon 36, minus 15 upon 36, and minus 14 upon 36. Now minus 24 upon 36 is what? Minus 2 upon 3. Minus 16 upon 36 is what? Minus 4 upon 9. Minus 15 upon 36 is what? Minus 5 upon 12. And minus 14 upon 36 is what? Minus 7 upon 18. Now this is the ascending order. Okay. Do you get it? Now, so what they say? Minus 4 upon 9 will be first. Is it? No. Second option, 7 upon minus 18 will be second. Is it? No. Then 5 upon minus 12 will be third. Yes, exactly. That is the right answer. And 2 upon minus 3 will be fourth. No. So third option, option third is the correct answer. Option third is the right answer. Okay. Now, so let's go to the next example. Example number third. So now, question third. Observe the number line carefully and write the coordinate of k. So I have drawn the number line. You want to find coordinate of k. So how to? This is minus 1. Right. But see other. It is minus 2 upon 3, minus 1 upon 3, and this is 0. So simple thing. What I have said, where is 0? Find it out. And where is the first unit? Here it is minus 1. So what you will do? 0 and minus 1. That unit distance is divided into how many equal parts? Find out that. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So each unit distance is divided into 15 parts. 15 equal parts. Let us check. So this is 1 upon 15. This is 2 upon, minus 1 upon 15. This is minus 2 upon 15. This is minus 3 upon 15. This is minus 4 upon 15. This is minus 5 upon 15. Now minus 5 upon 15 means 5 1 5, 5 3 is 15. That means minus 1 upon 3. That means we are correct. Right? So this is minus 6 upon 15. This is minus 7 upon 15. Minus 8 upon 15. Minus 9 upon 15. And this is minus 10 upon 15. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So minus 2 upon 3. We are correct. Okay. Then this is minus 11 upon 15. Minus 12 upon 15. Minus 13 upon 15. Minus 14 upon 15. And this is minus 15 upon 15. That is minus 1. Okay. So this is minus 16 upon 15. Minus 17 upon 15. Minus 18 upon 15, minus 19 upon 15, minus 20 upon 15, and this coordinate k is minus 21 upon 15. Right? Now, options are given in the form of decimal point and mixed fraction. Suppose if I reduce it, what I will get? 3 7s are 3 5s are. Okay. Now, if you see the denominator of the mixed fraction, it is 3. So I am not going to get it. So that means I have to convert it into decimal point. Okay. So that is minus 5 1s are 5. Remainder 2. 5 4s are 20. So minus 1.4. And so option number 2. Option 2 is the right answer. Okay, so dear students, I have tried to solve. I have solved completely exercise 1, exercise 5.1. I have solved it completely, and I have tried to solve some few examples of exercise 5.2, basically 3. So remaining examples, try to solve them as homework, and if there is any doubt, definitely ask me. Okay, so see you in the next period. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.